Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels video not playing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now turn on Wi-Fi or internet. Second method, open your Play Store, search Instagram. Tap on Instagram and update your Instagram app. Your Instagram app is updated. Now restart your device. Now tap on restart. After restart your device, now open your Instagram app. Tap on Reels. And finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.